In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process a refund in Zoho Books. If you're managing finances and need to issue a refund, knowing how to do it efficiently in Zoho Books can save you time and ensure accuracy in your records. Let's break down the process step by step to make it simple and straightforward for you to follow. To start, navigate to the Sales module in your Zoho Books dashboard. Within this module, you'll find a section labeled Invoices. This is where you should begin your refund journey. Spending a little time navigating through the Sales module will acquaint yourself better with Zoho Books, which can be very helpful if you use it often. Once you're in the Invoices section, it's time to locate the specific invoice that requires a refund. If you've got a long list of invoices, use the search or filter options to pinpoint exactly the one you're looking for. Make sure to double-check the invoice details to avoid any mix-ups, as this is a crucial part of the refund process. Upon opening the invoice, you'll see an option labeled More, often found at the top or the side of the screen. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you're going to select the Create Credit Note option. A credit note acts as a receipt for the refund and is an essential part of this process. This document ensures that both you and your customer have a record of the refund being processed. After selecting Create Credit Note, proceed by clicking Save. This action will generate the credit note linked to your original invoice. Take a moment to review the credit note for accuracy before moving on. With everything looking good, navigate back to this new credit note you've created. Once you're back on the credit note's main page, hover over the More drop-down once again. This time, you'll select the option labeled Refund. Doing so indicates that you're proceeding to the actual refunding step in Zoho Books. It's always good to triple-check you're working with the correct credit note at this stage. The next part involves filling in the necessary details. Enter the amount you're refunding, making sure it corresponds correctly with what's due. You'll then need to specify the payment method for the refund. Whether it's a bank transfer, a credit card reversal, or any other method, choose what suits your business and customer best. Double-check the details entered to avoid any errors that could complicate the transaction. Finally, hit the Save button. This confirms the refund and updates your financial records accordingly. Processing refunds accurately reflects your commitment to service and helps maintain a good relationship with your customer. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive way to process a refund in Zoho Books. With these steps, you can handle refunds seamlessly and keep your financial management stress-free.